Good morning, guys. Medyo skinny na ako ngayon. Tumaba sana ako ng unti pero ano lang kasi hindi ako makakain ng mga gusto kong kainin. Bawal sa akin mga sweets kahit na konti lang. So taste muna ako. May 11 weeks pa akong hihintayin. Okay lang. Iaaliw ko na lang yung sarili ko. Malilibutan ko yung mga weeks. Anyway, sumawag yung mama ko kanina. Pupusta pa daw ako sa game ngayon. Basketball, NBA basketball. So, sabi ko, sige, try ko. Kaya pumusta ako ngayon. Sana manalo yung Warriors. Kasi, pag hindi, impas ako 1,000. Pag nagugutom ba yung baby, tumitigas siya. Naawa ako sa baby ko kasi nagsishare kami ng pagkain. 1 cup of rice lang yung pwede sa akin. Nag-usap kami ni Ate Marcel yesterday na bumili kami ng corn. Yung bigas na corn. Yun na lang kakainin ko kasi mas yun, safe yun at saka mas madami makain ko kapag yun yung kakainin ko. Kasi sabi ni Doc, yung brown rice, may ding calories. Happy ko ngayon kasi maglilinis ako dito. Konti na yung lilinisin ko. Gusto ko pang dispatch ako na yung yung mga ibang gamit doon. Ipamimigay ko yan. Mag-iisip muna kami ni Chris kung saan namin i-donate yung mga ibang gamit. Kasi hindi din nila ng mama yung mga gamit eh. Yung iba lang na nagustuhan nila. Pero madami pa dyan kasi. Bibili pa pala ako ng drawers na malaki para sa mga gamit ni baby sa at saka para din sa mga gamit ko na din. Kasi isa lang yung closet dyan. Wala sa Ate Marcel ngayon. Early siyang lumabas. Sabi niya kahapon, early siyang magmamarket. Ewan kung may may ulam na. Wala pa. Thank you God. My breakfast today, 2 itlog, tas fried rice. Kaya lang ka-liit yung rice ko, tsaka soy sauce. Now I'm watching basketball live. Hala. Yung Cleveland ba yan? 73 na. 57 pa lang yung Warriors. First time kong pumusta pero natalo ko, guys. Sabi ni Chris, huwag mo nang ulitin na. Oh, may corn na kaming bigas. Thank you, God. Tapos ito yung ulam ko for lunch.
Peanuts. We got some peanuts because Fema can't eat rice, or she can't eat barely any carbs, no sugar, so we got some peanuts because of snacks. Unfortunately, her aunt put so much salt in it, but we're gonna buy some more peanuts soon.
My kilay is so maldita. No?
What? Your eyebrows?
Yeah, very thin.
Because our niwang?
Niwang.
Let's go.
Niwang.
My shirt is in a mess. It's okay.
Let's go! So, ito yung snack ko. Fresh lumpia. Tapos, si Chris naman kumain siya ng fried lumpia kanina. Ang dami dito. Hindi ko ito maubos. Nakuha namin yung engagement ring na pina-redesign. Kasi, may dalawa akong engagement ring. Yung una, yung engagement ring ko na before kami kinasal. Tapos yung pangalawa is yung nag-propose si Chris pagka 5-year wedding anniversary namin. Ngayon, hindi ko sila masuot yung dalawa. So, ang ginawa namin, dissolve ko na lang, pinakombine namin yung dalawang engagement ring, tapos nag-add na lang ako ng titos para gawin yung yung design na gusto ko. Ngayon, nakuha namin, ang saya-saya ko. Kaya lang, ang laki niya, guys. Ayan ang laki niya. Tapos, malaki na yung wedding ring ko. So, ngayon, ang gagawin namin is, itutunan na naman tong wedding ring ko at gagawin kong manipis. Parang i-circle siya. Tapos dalawa yung dalawa yung gagawin ko na band. Kasi yung isa sa child, tapos yung isa yung sa wedding ring. And if you're asking kung saan namin to pinagawa, doon sa Ray Martin sa Illustre, I really recommend them kasi ang ganda ng gumawa. Napaka-professional, tsaka napakalinis. Yung wedding ring na pinagawa namin kina mama at papa, ang ganda-ganda. Kaya, congrats kay Kuya tsaka kay Ma'am Irish. Ang ganda talaga.
Lottie gave birth again.
Gave birth again. Ayan.
Show Toby. Show Toby.
Toby, so guwapo.
Yeah.
Oh, I miss Toby boy.
They have a new family now, but we chose a really good family.
Yeah.
Someone to really take care
See,
of
there's
them.
2 whites.
Oh, it's blurry.
And, dalawang kaliko. I know, it's three whites. That's
Wow, that's
2
a lot.
kaliko. Nag-update si Ma'am Joy.
That's a nice haircut.
That's why Ma'am Joy was calling me.
Yeah.
Kaya Ma'am Joy was calling me earlier
Toby
this
looks good
morning.
there, huh? He has a nice haircut.
Handsome boy. Oh, miss Toby boy. They have 5 kittens. Hala.
We had a lot of reasons why we gave them to someone else. We sold them, but we gave them a really good price, and we gave them everything we had, the beds, just a lot of things. But we're happy because the people that we gave them to, we're really sure that they'll take care of them. Just that was our sense, and it really looks like it because Toby looks good. He has a really good haircut, and he looks
So happy. I'm so happy. Punta sana ako kina Ate Flor kanina. Pero pagod kasi ako eh. Bigat ng feeling ko. Pinahatid ko na lang ni Ate Flor yung natalo ko 1,000 pesos sa NBA game. Ayoko na talaga. First time ko pinatalo ako. Sabi ni Chris, wag mo nang ulitin yan kasi gambling yan. Nag-try lang kasi ako eh. Kasi nung nakaraan, nanalos na ang call. Pero okay lang. Yung dinner ko today, ang palaya na may itlog. Tas yung mais na bigas. Tas bumili sa Ate Marcel ng saging para meron akong parang dessert. Kasi pwede akong kumain na ng saging, pero isa lang sa isang araw. And para mas malasa yung palya ko, meron akong bagoong. First time ni Chris na kumain ng mais na bigas.
So let's ask people, is this healthier? Because according to Fema, it's
Diabetic
better.
people eat this.
Ah, it's for diabetes.
Yeah.
Ah, that makes sense because your doctor told you to stay away from sugar
Yeah.
and carbs.
Yeah.
Actually tastes kind of better than rice.
Me? Placebo.
Tastes good. So this
Yeah,
is
tastes
healthier.
good. Yeah.
So maybe me.
But once it's cold, it will get hard.
I think I should eat
That's
this
why it's
too.
good to eat it hot.
Go.
Yummy.
Fema, you're supposed to say that not only is this rice more healthier, it's also more affordable, right? 30 pesos per kilo instead of 50 pesos. Why weren't we eating this all along? I've been here since 2009 and you never showed me this rice corn. What's going on? Can we buy the SM?
Where did Ate
Or?
Marcel buy this?
I don't know. Can we buy the SM?
No, there's no corn SM.
You do know that we just said that twice, right?
Because I messed up with my first question. Yaya guys, sasakit ng tiyan ko. Dito sa meno, dito, ba yan? Sakit siya, parang hangin. Gusto kong umutot, pero di ko magawa. So hanggang dito lang yung vlog ko for today. And thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you
In our next vlog.
Bye.